What's up, y'all? Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this very, very special 1990 Toyota Hiace ambulance. This is a four-wheel drive, high roof, long wheelbase Toyota Hiace. The longest and tallest Hiace you can buy from this generation. And this one, I've had one before. This one is particularly special in that it has 3,000 original miles. Yes, 3,000. It's like brand new. My heart breaks every time I think about getting rid of this van, not getting rid, but passing it on. Just because it's essentially a time capsule piece. And it's a high roof, long wheelbase, perfect for a camper build. Lots of space, lots of capability, like new. You can see we've lifted it about 2.5 inches. Great ground clearance, squeezed a big tire in there. Even though it had low mileage, we went ahead and did our full maintenance update with the timing belt and all the affiliated components that are involved with that, just to be sure that everything was going to be reliably rolling down the road for the buyer. Gosh, yeah, I mean, this thing is just, like I said, it kills me to think about getting rid of this thing. It's just amazing. Absolutely mint condition, inside and out. Like the other four-wheel drive Hiaces from its generation, it has the 3L naturally aspirated diesel engine. Manual transmission, four-wheel drive, high and low range. $5,200 kilometers. Very simple interior. Manual windows. Burgundy vinyl. Upholstery all around. Very clean undercarriage. Like new. I bet you this thing was stored indoors its whole life. It hurts me to let this thing go. But it's going to a good person, and she goes out on adventures all the time. So it's going to get a lot of use. It's going to get its second life here in the States. And it's going to be a hell of an adventure rig. Let's see if I can get actually, maybe from this other side, we can get a little better shot of the interior. Excuse the train. These seats all fold down here. This gurney comes out. So I would say standing room in here is about 5 foot. So you'd have to be kind of short to be able to stand up in here. But it certainly is a lot easier to walk around in this thing than it is my personal Hiace with the low roof. It can be done with room to build, let's say, an elevated bed in the back, probably at the level of the bottom of that windowsill. Lots of potential, lots of room for activities, as they say. So this thing's off to its new owner in about an hour and a half from now. Staying in St. John's, which I love. I love when my vans stay in town. I get to see them, watch them evolve into the adventure mobiles they were always intended to be. But if you're looking for a van, reach out, say hi, find us on Instagram, Vanlife Northwest and vanlifenorthwest.com. Say what's up, see what we're working on. This is a very unique beast. I doubt I'd be able to find anything like this ever again. But we do have lots of great other Hiaces and Delicas in the works. Reach out, say hi, and yeah, take care. Enjoy the sun.